Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds JBL Tune 115. And firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. And if it's not, just click on your earbuds at the device list and we have connection. If it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset. So put your earbuds to the charging case, and now these earbuds are disconnected from your phone. So we should also see it at the device list, right here. And let's make it again, because it should already be disconnected from your phone. Yeah, and right now we have it. So after that, remove it from the charging case and it will reconnect to your phone. So again, we have connection here. If it didn't help you also, we should perform, we should remove and add these earbuds from your phone. So click the information icon or settings icon. Forget the device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device. And now these earbuds should enter to pairing mode automatically, but also we can add it manually. You don't want to enter pairing mode automatically, and you can just put it to the charging case and then remove it from the charging case, then it enters to pairing mode automatically. Or you can firstly press and hold at the touch area on your left or right earbud to turn off your earbuds, and then you press and hold again, and it will enter to pairing mode. But as you can see right now, we also have it. So click on it, and we have connection again. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. To perform a hard reset, put your earbuds to the charging case. After that, you should connect the charging case to the power. And if you can see that right here LED light is blinking, it means that you did it. And now you should press and hold at the touch area on your right earbud for at least 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can release your finger, and firstly we should remove it, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget the device, forget device. Also don't forget to click pair new device on your Android, and then you can remove your earbuds from the charging case and it will enter to pairing mode. And as you can see, we can see it right now at the device list, and also it asks us to pair. So let's pair it. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!